Hot reggae music. Okay.
This beauty my eyes behold. Yeah. I'm Flourgon, just a rock and a roll. Good morning, lovely lady. Gotta tell you how you amaze me. Can't help it when I see you walking by. I've got to tell you how lovely you look, just like the princess in the storybook. So beautiful I can't deny. Oh. Right now in the knees you got me weak. Wish you have some time to speak, so I can say what's on my mind. I feel a burning desire, my whole body's on fire. Do this one little thing for me, please. Come and take my blues away. Be a part of me today. I'm ready to say I do. Come and change my darkness tonight. I know you make my light shine bright. You're all that I desire. I ask that in my prayer every day, every night, to bring you close to me. You're a treasure to have and to hold. Yeah. A remedy to bring soothing to my soul. You're a blessing sent to this land, a part of the master's plan. I'm waiting for your love to unfold. I feel your warmth and tenderness. One little smile, I know I'm blessed. My gaze are brighter, I'm feeling lighter, happy and free. Just send you to me, yeah. Do this one little thing for me.